WP Sell Services, moderating your marketplace. Moderation is a trade, quality control bought with speed to publish. Service moderation is off when you install, and that is deliberate. Left off, a vendor's listing publishes the moment they finish it. The page tells you the state plainly and links to the switch that changes it. Turn it on, and every new listing waits in a queue for you. Pending, approved, and rejected are counted along the top. A queue only helps if somebody actually works it every day. The services list shows moderation state next to author and category. So you can audit what is already live, not only what is waiting. Reviews get the same treatment, with their own queue and their own switch. Off by default means reviews go live immediately, which most marketplaces want. Turn it on when one bad actor makes it worth the extra step. The counters exist so you can tell at a glance whether anything is waiting. Quality kept without the bottleneck.